back to the scene of the crime. The repair is complete. The caulking has cured. Best as I can tell, I'm going to remove the foam pieces I put in here to hold the cone up to the basket frame, and we are going to install this now and determine whether or not the repair was effective or not. There's 4 pieces. As far as I can tell, it's holding. It's exciting. This repair should not be that difficult, but yet here I am doing the repair work. Let's reinstall the repaired 9-inch speaker back into its home. It's a summer's day. The weather is warm. It's summer's time. Oh, it goes this way for the removal. Do I have the fasteners? Where are the fasteners? I don't have them here. I gotta go get them. The fasteners required to secure this 9-inch speaker into this door opening, into this reclock it so that the plug is at the 12 o'clock position. That's the remaining fastener, 4 of them. Don't over tighten, just secure them so that they're nice and comfortably secured. Don't have to crush anything. Reconnect the plug, the wire, just like that. And let's test it before we put the door panel back on. I wanted you to hear the before, but now you're only going to get the after. Oh, damn it. Got the bass turned down, got the treble turned up, and everything else is balanced. I have repaired this speaker the same way that I've repaired this speaker. This one and this one are both repaired in the same manner with which you just saw me do the repair work. I am somewhat pleased. Okay, let's see. Yes, base has been restored. That's the rear. Let's see what the front sounds like. Yes. I'm going to say that everything is back to normal. I am pleased, I am satisfied with the repair job, and otherwise, Bose, you need to get out of the car audio business. This is not your forte. All right, thanks for viewing, everyone. Bose speaker repair. Mazda and Bose. What a horrible marriage.